How to do frame match cut effect in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Sound Library and from drop-down choose Fairlight Sound Library. Search for click and drag this sound effect in timeline. With Blade tool, cut only the first part of it. Here I cut 3 frames from it and remove the rest. Move the playhead 15 frames forward, then hold down the Alt key and drag the audio to duplicate it. Go forward 12, 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, and 3 frames and drag a copy of the sound effect there. Bring a picture in timeline and adjust its duration. Select the image and from this drop-down choose Transform. Open up Inspector, increase zoom to a high value like 4, and drag in the viewer to align the text you want to match cut to the position you want. Move the mouse cursor above video tracks, then hold down the Shift key and scroll to change track's height. Move the image to track V10. Then in the inspector decrease opacity to around 40 so we can see the below images. Drag another image to the first layer at the second sound effect position. Select it, and in the inspector adjust the size and position of it until the text you want to match is exactly the same size and below your first image. Do this process for all other images. Move the playhead to the end of the last sound effect and select all the layers, then press Ctrl+B to add a cut to all of them and remove the rest. Select the top image, reset its opacity, and cut its extra parts. Now go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag an adjustment clip above all the images in the track V10 and adjust its duration. Move the playhead above it and open up the Color page. From Window tab, click on Ellipse Mask and adjust its size and position in the viewer to cover the text. Click on the Invert Mask button. Now from Blur tab, select the first option and increase radius. At last, go back to the Edit page,